So after coming back from Rwanda, we have refreshed ourselves, put to fix some tactical elements that we have not been satisfied in Kigali. Unfortunately, on that road, we have dealt blow with the absence of two important players. One is Kasumba Umar that got injured in last training before match in Kigali, and second one is Nsubuga Josepg that got injured in Wednesday's game because we had, whomever you are not having, you need to plan to get replacement. Good enough is that for every place in the team we are having two equally quality players fighting for position and purely on merit deserving. So with some tactical adjustments, we shall cover the absence of mentioned players. In the same moment, I want to tell that motivation is